Hello everybody. So today this is part one of four that I'm going to be teaching you guys skill moves of football or soccer in this case. So I'm gonna be sorry, I'm just very tired, I just woke up now. But also I'm gonna be teaching you guys 3 skill moves. One I invented myself, which I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to do it with the best of my ability. So without further ado, let's just get this started. So the thing I'm using to hold up it's literally something that you wouldn't expect. It's an ice cream bucket. Yeah, I don't know why, but this ice cream bucket holds the camera very nicely so that you guys can see the ball. Okay, so the first skill move I'm teaching you guys is a step over. Step over, since most of you don't know it, I'm going to be teaching you guys this. This skill move is going to be a part of the skill move I created, which is skill move number 3. Skill move number 1, you take your strong foot, in this case this is my right foot, my strong foot, then you put it around the ball, then you take your weak foot, which is my left foot in this case, you put it around the ball, then you take your right foot, you move it to the side. This is what it should look like all together. Okay, you've done the step over. Now skill move number 2, the fake shot. So basically, you run up, you move the ball to the side. You run up, you move the ball to the side, then as you're shooting, put your foot on top of the ball. This is what it should look like. There, we've done the fake shot. Skill move number 3, the third and final skill move, is my step over shoot. So you do the step over, but then you pull the ball to the side, and then shoot it. That's what it should look like altogether. If you guys want to see that again from a different angle, that would be beneficial for most of you. So, here we go. This should be a better angle for most. So you go step over, then you go boom. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys had a great time. I hope I explained it in detail. I hope I explained it better than I did last time. Since the last time I tried this, I have been explaining it crap and I didn't really know what I was doing. But I hope you guys had a good time. So like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a comment on if this advice was good or not, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm pressing the wrong button. Sorry, bye. Stop pressing the wrong button. How am I still pressing the wrong button?